In this particular video, I will be showing you guys how to use fair value gaps and candlestick psychology combined together with candlestick patterns, and I hope you learn a lot in this video because I will be breaking down everything step by step so that a beginner or even an experienced trader can understand. I took this because I saw the 2 bar going higher, but the main thing was the fair value gap. Now I will be showing you how to identify the fair value gap, because basically it's just a 3 candle pattern which we try to identify in the market. Then we look for confirmation on the right side to go along with the fair value gap. So let me mark the fair value gap to show you. So right here, as you see, we have our fair value gap. Now you notice the price came inside the fair value gap. It gave me a signal right here, a 2 bar going higher, so my confidence increases because I got my confirmation. And remember guys, we don't trade without confirmation, okay? And that's how you have to trade. Make sure that everything aligns correctly and properly. Beautiful. I took that immediately guys because I noticed, hold on, my bad. Yes, I noticed that the fair value gap, the price just reaching the fair value gap, then there was a beautiful engulfing candle right there. Let me mark fair value gap to show you guys. The more I show, the more you understand. Okay, you see how the price came nicely into my fair value gap and sweep all the liquidity. You see that? You see how strong this fair value gap was? And this is how you have to trade guys. You have to understand that trading is the game of probabilities, and the more you can increase the probability, the better for you. And this is why knowledge is so important in trading. Okay, now this price is just dropping massively guys. I might enter for one more trade. I'm not really sure. Yes, I'm going in for 2. I'm not gonna do 3 because this is a momentum and it looks a little bit sometimes momentums, whenever the trend is going, like for instance, see how this momentum coming down right here, beautiful, then randomly this green candle forms. See, the thing about going with the momentum, sometimes that happens, right? But let's see what's gonna happen for me right here, because far as I see, the momentum has been very steady. You notice each candle break the week of the previous, but this one really did that. So I'm not certain about winning this trade, but let's see the probability of this outcome now. Come on, beautiful. Oh, I have more time on the clock. Okay, nice. Alright, so I'm gonna continue with the buyers right here because I see this inside gap, I see the engulfing candle, I see so many stuff. Let me mark the fair value gap to show you guys. Now there was a thing happening here which I wanted to speak about. Now some people might have questions about this trade, right? Why I took it when the price break the fair value gap. Now this right here was a fake breakout. As you could see, as it break out, the candle came back inside immediately. Alright, so this right here tells us that okay, an engulfing candle form after a fake breakout. That is a very good signal, because now we realize that this was just to fool the rest. This was just a mirage per se, right? Because as you see, it breaks out, then the price comes and gives us an engulf. Guys, I will continue explaining some more about fair value gaps and the different types of fair value gaps, because not all fair value gaps are actually good. One more. So So I'm taking that for 4 right there. Oh my god, this trade, hey, let me go 2 more. This trade is so beautiful. Now remember earlier I told you guys that not all fair value gaps are strong. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to identify the strong fair value gaps, because not all of them are strong. All right, look at this right here. You notice the first candle created, then the second one break the wick and the body of the previous one, then the third one did the same. It break the body and the wick and created the third candle. Now this right here signals to us that okay, this is strength. Okay, and then there is a lot of buy orders right here because there was liquidity. As you see, the market taps back into the liquidity, and then we add that winning, we have that upward movement. Okay, so unfortunately it seems as if one of my trade was a fail. Okay, I'm going heavy on this one, guys, because in the previous trade I win 2, lost 1, and the others were draw. Okay, so basically right here we have the inside gap right here. So we know inside gaps, what it tries to fill. For those who are new, inside gaps tries to fill, breakaway gaps tries to continue in the same direction. Okay, now you see everything line up right here. Let me show you. See the fair value gap, and previously I spoke about how to identify the strong ones. Now the reason why my trade was looking very uncertain previously was what happened. Okay, previously why my trade was looking uncertain was because my entry was bad, and this is the reason why I sing so much about entries, guys. Entries are very crucial because we set our own expiration, so we need our entry to be very good. Okay, so I'm taking this for 3 right here, guys. You see this breakaway gap, and you notice the price just dropping massively. That is crazy. And this is the power of candlestick psychology. Let me tell you something, guys. Once you learn candlestick psychology and master it, you become very confident, and your trading style just change massively. All right, and this is the reason why when I'm trading, I make sure that I'm applying all my candlestick psychology knowledge in my trade, so that I can trade comfortably and confidently. Okay, without candlestick psychology and learning the behind the patterns, it's gonna be very difficult to trade comfortably, and you will lose and you don't know why. And this is the reason why you need to learn it. You see what I'm saying? Okay, so this will be the end of my session. If you guys want to learn more about candlestick psychology, you can watch this video on the screen right here.